Hello, everyone. Is it starting? No, not yet, so I have additional time. Good. My name is Luke. I'm from Smabbler. We make machines or computers understand human language. Uh, oh, okay. Obviously, we live in a data-driven society. It becomes a norm that we need lots of data. And what we require, everyone, is instant access and instant knowledge is the number one need of every company. But the problem is that 80% of those information are unstructured text. There's a lot of information locked in there, lots of value that can be created within a company. The human language is different, it's complex, it's multi-topic. In one document, one message, you can talk about anything. And it's very hard for standard solutions to be able to understand and differ and infer within the different topics, within the elements of the knowledge within a document, as a human would do. And this is where Smabbler comes in, as it fully liberates that data, that information, that knowledge locked in textual documents, textual data. We like to say that Smabbler is like a super knowing, super fast technology that is able to work with diverse, complex data and transform that information into a structured knowledge network, knowledge base, which is then easily accessible by any automated tools, any systems, any processes within a company. What is the advantage of the technology? Because since almost 5 years we've been working a full R&D on creating a solution which is universal, which is general, which is able to cover all complex textual tasks, complex language tasks, is not narrow domain. It can work with any topic, any information, any text, any textual process that you may have. What is also important is the accuracy is 90+% of the information that it's able to extract versus 70+ of the market average. It's a language engine to rule them all. It's working as a backend. It can supply the information, the knowledge required by whether it's a customer service area, whether it's a virtual assistant, whether it's some kind of big data integration. Wherever there is text and there is knowledge that you could utilize it and build value from it. This is where Smabbler, the language cognitive engine, would come in. I don't have a lot of time, but let's put an example. Okay, these are, for example, Smabbler ingested general insurance conditions. Everyone loves those documents. Everyone loves to read them, right? But okay, we start maybe from some simple examples. But if you look at the further questions, all the information is complicated. It's hard to extract, but for Smabbler, it's very easy. It ingests that document, builds its knowledge network, and is able to immediately provide the appropriate piece of knowledge that is required. The llama demo. Will insurance cover my loss if my pet llama eats my wallet? It's a valid question. A system that understands language should be able to answer that. Does the insurance cover it? And it does. So finishing up, Smabbler is a complete knowledge network in the back, algorithm understanding language in the front, and we are cooperating with Microsoft. Thanks, Microsoft. And the idea is to build a Smabbler cognitive cloud, AI for everyone. This is our team. I probably exceeded the time. But thank you very much. If you have any more questions, I can show another. If not, I can show another video.
Thank you very much for your presentation. We have 3 minutes for Q&A. As usual, do you have any questions?
I can invent some questions and answer them myself if you want, no problem. So since I have 1 minute and 50 seconds, I will use that to show another video.
That's perfect. Go ahead.
Nothing goes to waste. Okay, here's an example of how Smabbler engine works. So the input, okay. It should start now. Okay, the input, like any other text document, a web page is also a text document, right? So Smabbler would ingest all that information that is in that text document, immediately structure all that information, create all the relations functional relationships, clean data available for any analysis, for any automation from those information that were in that document. So the same what we saw geographically, you have in a structured database. This is wonderful one-stop solution language engine versus that can automate any understanding, liberating knowledge from text, right? So instead of going, like if you need a car, instead of going to a part shop, picking up different parts and building your car yourself, you have immediately you can go for a Smabbler, like go for a car and have a complete solution available in your company, which is your knowledge hub in your company, so to speak. So last motto, let's bring some language IQ into AI, right?